Yo, what's up? Facebook, MySpace, YouTube. It's another day of my video blog. I just want to give y'all an update of what's going on. Probably like 10 minutes, I hope, going to the office supply store so I could get some stuff up for my labels and DVDs and stuff like that. And also, I'm going to send out letters to all the pastors and get some flyers together so they'll know that they could, if they have any special event, or if y'all watching this, y'all have any special event, concerts, weddings, um, revivals, conferences, workshops, anything that y'all want to remember and keep, then please email me at pureroyaltyproductions@yahoo.com or king1self@yahoo.com, and just tell me what the event is, how long it is, and I get a price for you, and I come out there and I do it. Um, I'm also working with a photographer, so if you need photos and pictures and stuff like that, also email me, and I get back in touch with you, and touch bases and let you know how much different things or different packages we have that will cost. A lot of people asking me about New Era, asking me what happened to it. I don't see y'all rep no more. First off, two people got it tatted. So if we never rep, if you never see the sign, and we do right hand New Era sign, you never see the sign, then you know those people who got it tatted. You know what I'm saying? But those that rep will always understand New Era. Um, one more thing, keep Oren Walker in your prayers. He's out in Iraq right now. He left his wife and his kid at home, and his family all is back here in Florida. So, keep Oren Walker in your prayers. He's also the president of New Era. You know what I'm saying? That he returned home safely and won't have to go back to Iraq, you know. So just pray for us, pray for New Era. We coming, we in the works of trying to get it incorporated right now. And once that happen, New Era gonna be blasted everywhere, and you can believe that. So those that rep will always understand New Era. I wear purple because I'm a king. You did. Kings wear purple all day. Pure royalty. You already know. Purple swag is in the building. I'm purple down. You did. Peace.